Hi friends, Michelle Berry here with Johnson RV in Fife, Washington. Today I brought a special guest with us. This is Jeff. This is our factory representative from Winnebago. He is our resident expert and is going to help talk about how amazing this new Winnebago Access is that we just got on the lot. This is one you're going to want to come to Fife and see. Jeff, you want to tell us some of the features that kind of set this one aside?
Yeah, so Winnebago with our Access, we're kind of new into this traditional build of trailer with our Access, and it's just a phenomenal product. When you get into a traditional build, our Access offers things that many other traditional build trailers don't offer. So if we get into things, we could talk about even the skin of the trailer being a thicker metal on our skin, so that your structural on that metal side is going to be a lot stronger than others. Maybe you're a cold weather shoulder season camper and you're worried about freezing. We go further than any other traditional build trailer. When we have our belly down here with all your plumbing and tanks, it's fully enclosed. But from there, we're gonna have an insulated blanket on the bottom. We'll have insulation at the floor level, so you got that sandwiched together. Then on every holding tank, there's going to be 12-volt heat pads. Then we'll also duct hot air from your furnace down to that belly, keeping all of that freeze protected. But what a lot will not do and overlook is your gate valves. When you need to dump those tanks, if it's freezing outside, it's like a car door, it won't open. Our gate valves are located inside that heated and insulated belly. So one of those nice features. Another one you won't see, not common on a traditional build trailer, power stabilizer jacks. But what's even more uncommon is that these power stabilizer jacks have a motor on every single jack. They're going to be stronger and a lot faster in operation. So when I'm trying to put pressure to the ground and keep this thing stable, it's a lot stronger with a motor on every single jack, whereas others will do one motor from both sides. Things like your heated pass-through bay. You won't see this on a traditional trailer. We actually have ducted hot air coming into your pass-through bay. So again, good key features on this trailer outdoors. On the back side of this, on the bumper, you're going to have a 2-inch hitch receiver, 350-pound rating. I don't see hitch receivers. You've got e-bikes that are 75 pounds a piece. We want to make sure that you're able to take those with you. So come on inside and I'll tell you about a few more things inside.
Guys, this is such a beautiful trailer. I've sold a lot of the Winnebago line, and let me tell you, quality. We don't see a lot of our Winnebago towable customers back in for service. They're out camping, enjoying, and having a great time. Just going to tell you a little bit more on how and why.
So, one more thing I want to mention outside that I just kind of slipped there is actually talking about the solar. We just give it all to you standard. So you're going to have 200 watt panels standard up on top. That'll be a 30 amp charge controller that'll go through, which that allows you, if you felt like it, you could put 2 more panels up there to get 600 watts of solar. Maybe you want to go portable, we've got the plug on the side so you can go portable. But when we move on the inside, there's so many things that you want to kind of pay attention to. It's all those little things that sometimes people just tend to overlook. Maybe it's as simple as your shades for the windows being an actual true blackout shade. These are roller shades, so they're simpler to operate. You don't have those tension strings to stretch or break. The furniture is beautiful in here. This is our standard seating. So you've got recliners on both sides, your cup holder there, so nice theater seating. Maybe it's as simple as having true nightstands inside in your bedroom with actual drawers, more functional. Having the wardrobe cabinet where you actually have adjustable, removable shelves in here rather than just forcing you to just empty cavern of hanging. So you have a lot of choices there. You'll notice things like, if I look at the floor here, there's no ducts in the floor, so you don't get all those dug fir needles and dirt and stuff down in your vents. It's all in cabinets and toe kicks and things like that. Your cabinets are going to use good Euro-style hinges, solid wood core cabinets. So just a lot of those amenities that you expect in a nice trailer, but just don't typically see in a traditional build trailer. So, and then looking at this floor plan itself, this is the 25 ml for the Access. The seating, you have that opposing seating is beautiful. You have company over, be able to sit and visit. The kitchen, the galley here has just tons of cabinet space, tons of storage, countertop space. I've done this for a long time. That's the most important thing you can ever provide an owner is storage. Outlets in the face instead of up in the overheads where I can actually get my cords to it. But really just a phenomenal trailer for being a traditional build. It's, again, you go out and look at the competition, you're probably not going to see something quite like this.
Look at how big the shower is too, and with the skylight above it, so much good natural light. You don't even have to have the lights on in here in the daytime because it's so light and bright.
Again, the small things. The toilet is actually a porcelain toilet, not that cheap plastic thing. So really upgrade this trailer.
Yeah. So folks, amazing build by Winnebago. Thank you so much, Jeff, for being a part of our video.
Absolutely.
And telling us just about the product. We love this line, and I know you're going to love it too. Go ahead and give me a call here at Johnson RV in Fife, or drop by, ask for Michelle. I would love to help give you a tour of this or any of our newer premium pre-owned inventory. Have a good day. Thanks, friends.